This is how you make super smooth text animations in Premiere Pro. So here we have 3 text layers that I just made, and now we're gonna search for an effect called transform. Put transform on the first clip and press anchor point. As you can see, our anchor point is not where it's supposed to be. We have to move it down a little bit, and now you can see our text moves as well. So we have to move the position of the text back where it was, so that the blue dots are connecting over here. Now we're gonna move down a little bit and make sure we don't have use composition shutter angle ticked, and make sure your shutter angle is 360 for that extra smoothness. Now we're gonna make a keyframe for position and opacity. We're gonna highlight the keyframes and put them forward a little bit, just like this. Now in the beginning of the clip, we're gonna put our position down a little bit, about there, and we're gonna put our opacity to 0. Now we're gonna highlight all of the keyframes that we just made, right click, temporal interpolation, press ease in, right click again, ease out. And as we can see, that is pretty smooth in my opinion. Now we can copy the effect and just paste it on the other clips. And if you want to make a preset out of this, you can just right click it, save preset, make sure you name it smooth opacity up, for example, and make sure you choose anchor to in point and press OK. Oh, and by the way, if you want some cool text animations for Premiere Pro, check the link below. See you in the next one.